One out of these four things are currently affecting your ads. Now, these are some of the common cases with Facebook and Instagram ads, right? One way or the other, you must have encountered one of these issues that I'm going to be talking about in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is BizLit, and this YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook and Instagram ads. That's everything that we talk about on this YouTube channel. If you are just joining this YouTube channel, welcome to this YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and also comment where you're watching my videos from. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching more valuable videos like this one that you're about to see. Right now, I'm going to be talking about four most common cases that you would most likely have when it comes to Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, you might have come across one of these, or maybe all of it is currently what you're experiencing, or maybe it's just one out of all the things that I'm going to mention. But I'm just going to be shedding more light on these things so that you know exactly how to tackle them when they happen to you, or while you're running your campaign, something like this happens to you. Now, these four things are currently affecting a lot of people. Now, what are these four things? Number one is that you have a low engagement on your ad. That's the first thing. Number two is that your ad has a low reach. Number three is that you have a disapproved ads, or you're getting disapproval on your ads, right? This is also very common. Number four is that you have a high cost per click, right? This also is affecting quite a number of people, and I'm going to be explaining all these things and what you need to do if you peradventure have this issue, right? I'm going to be explaining all the things you need to do right away. Okay, let's start with the first one. When you have a low reach, right? So basically, when you have a low reach, what is happening is that your ad is not getting to enough people that it should get to. A lot of people are not seeing your ad, and this could limit the number of conversions you eventually get. So whatever it is you've set your ad for, your ad is possibly not reaching the amount of people that it should reach. Now, when you have this issue, what should you do? Number one thing you can try to do is you can try to increase the budget of your ad. Now, when you're running Facebook or Instagram ads, one of the things that is very vital to the result you get is your budget. So I would always tell people that when you have a budget that is very good, your ad will most likely reach the right people, right? So what I want you to do is, in the case of a low reach, try to increase your budget. This could help you fix this issue. Another thing you can try to do is to broaden your target audience. So if you already narrowed down on your target, maybe take, for example, you sell fashion items, right? Rather than you niche down on, say, your particular type of product, which is maybe shoes and bags, you can do a broader audience, which is the entire fashion industry. Now, this can help you to actually improve the reach because you are now targeting a broader audience. Now, it's okay to niche down. Nobody's saying don't niche down, but when the reach is becoming low, you need to broaden your target audience. That would also help you. Another thing you can try to do if you have a low reach is that you can try to change the content for your ad. Sometimes the content for the ad is not acceptable by the audience, or the audience don't find it interesting. What I want you to do is to try these three things, or these three solutions that I've provided, and see which one works for your low reach. The second one is the low engagement. So if you're running a Facebook ad or an Instagram ads and you have low engagement on your ads, that means that a lot of people are not engaging on that ad. You're not seeing people take actions like or comment or send you a message. These things are not happening, right? So what do you do when you have low engagement on your ad? The first thing you can try to do is that you can test out different content. You can test out different content. It could also be that your content is not hitting the nail on the head. Your content is not exactly getting enough clicks as you should get. So try testing out different content. Also, you can try testing out different messaging. You can try testing out a different call to action. Maybe the call to action you're using is not clear enough. You can try a different call to action because this will make people to click your ad more. You can also try a different messaging like I mentioned earlier. So try these three things and see if it changes the results that you get with your engagement, right? If that improves the engagement on your ad. The third common case I want to mention is the ad disapproval case. Now, this ad disapproval case happens a whole lot, and for those who are currently experiencing ad disapprovals, what you want to do is to go through Facebook's ad policies, right? Read the Facebook ad policies. It will help you understand exactly how you need to position your ads so that it doesn't get disapproved. Now, what are the common reasons why ads will get disapproved? Whether it is in the content you're using, maybe the content is wrong, right? Maybe you do not meet up to some certain requirements for you to be able to run the ads. You need to look at all these things and read through Facebook's ad policy. I'm going to leave the link to the Facebook ad policy somewhere in this video. Click the link, or you can check my description to also find the link to read the Facebook ad policies so that you can understand how to position your ad and avoid disapprovals. Now, the final most common case with Facebook ads or Instagram ads is high cost per click, right? High CPC. Now, CPC simply means cost per click. Now, a high CPC actually just means that you are paying very high for everyone who clicks your ad. Now, what is the most reasonable CPC? Now, there's no certain figure to it. All I can say is that you should be paying as low as possible for every action that is taken on your ad. Say, for example, you set an ad for people to send you messages. You should not be paying so much per person who is sending you a message, because that means that it will use up your budget a lot faster and you might get lesser results. So what can you do when your ad is getting a high CPC? So the first thing is that it could be that your ad is not actually, it's not cutting it with your audience. And when that happens, you're going to be getting a high CPC. Now, understand that the more people click your ad, the lower your CPC. So if people are not clicking your ad, the question is, why are people not clicking my ad? Is it that the content is bad? Is it that I'm unable to pass across my information fast? Is my content too long? So you need to understand exactly how or what exactly is making people not to click your ad. When you look at these things, it will help you to understand how to work and edit your ad so that it can deliver the right CPC. So ensure that your ad is appealing. When your ad is appealing to your target audience, your cost per click would actually reduce. So what I would always advise people is that go for content that are entertaining, go for content that are full of value, content that people would want to engage more and click on. That would reduce your cost per click the more people actually engage or click on that ad. I hope I've helped you with one or two things in this video. All right, please ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and also leave me a thumbs up and also drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would love to hear from you how this video helps you. I'm going to see you in the next one.